The character pillar for the month of March is
fairness.
Students can show fairness by practicing justice,
Equity and equality.
cooperating with one another, recognizing the uniqueness and value
Of each individual.
within our diverse society.
Students can show fairness at school by
Taking turns and sharing. Listening to others.
including everyone. Following the rules of the game.
Playing fair is important because it keeps games fun. Please remember that fair does not mean equal. Fair means that everybody gets what they need to be successful. Life is unfair, and that's okay. Students can show fairness at home by sharing family chores and helping each other out, sharing toys and books. Follow the rules in your home. Listen to the adults you live with. And have an open mind, so you can try to understand how others may be feeling.
Students can show fairness in the community by
Following laws and rules. Doing what is best for everyone.
refrain from whining.
That's not fair.
It's annoying and it hurts people's ears.
We already know life isn't fair, and that's okay.
People are gonna get things that you don't. It's life. Deal with it.
Always remember to treat others how you want to be treated. Being kind is what's fair. Always remember to be a bulldog of character. Character is contagious. Is yours worth catching?